Hello guys, now I'm here to show you how to solve using law of cosines. As you can see, you can only use the law of cosines when the given from the triangles have two angles. There are two angles that are given. So this is the formula to solve the law of cosines. Now, I have here some sample problems to show you how to do it. Now, I have written some examples to solve this, but this example has only given with as a form. So the first thing you should do is to get this angle. To do that, you have to add this angle to this angle and subtract it to 180 degrees because a triangle is always equals to 180 degrees, all of its angle when it's added. So just gonna add it for a while. Okay, but before we continue, after I have finished added it, it's 19 degrees angle. We have to name this. So this is angle A, B, and C. So the opposite sides of it is should be named, which is the same name but smaller letters. So this is line C, B, and A. So A is equals to 14. So that we get it. So this should be A. A equals to, I substitute this 14, 14 with 19 and the two given this C and B. So this is B, C, so 52 and 109. To get the side B, this one B, so this is should be letter B, and this is the side of B, so this is B side. So just gonna, we have to cross multiply it. So 14 times sin 52, and this is C19 over X or B because it is missing. But now just erase it. Through the use of calculator, I will solve it. So you should use calculator because I don't know the value of sin yet. So 14 divided or times sin 52, and its answer is 11. So when you're going to write it, don't put use only for decimal to the nearest 110,000. So 0, 3, 2, and 1. And remember that you shouldn't round it off. So sin. And it should be divided by this one because it was multiplied to this. And should be divided because this is B is multiplied to this. So should retype it to my calculator. 11.032 and 1 divided by sin sine 19 is equals to 33.88 degrees. So not degrees, you shouldn't because we're going to take the measurement of this side. It's not an angle, so we should put millimeters on it. Millimeters. So that's for now, because this is just an illustration for you to know how to solve this. So B is equals to 33.88 millimeters. And to find the angle C, the no, line C, you should do the same thing. Cross multiplication. If you're not sure about your answer through this first, you should use the complete one, because you might get wrong to the second, but if you're wrong to your first try. So retype it. So 14 millimeters times sin 109. So that's it. And you'll get 13.22. Also remember that you shouldn't round it up. So this is the sign of 109 or 109 multiplied to 14 millimeters, and should be divided by the sign 19 because it is under it, so we should divide. So 13.2372 sine 19, and the measurement of this side is 40.65 millimeters. So that's how you get it with as a form when you're going to solve it with sine. But how if it is AAS? Here, I'm going to show you some examples for it. Now I have prepared a problem. This problem. So ASS. So angle, and side. Those are the given ones. So first, I'm going to write it in this that I prepared the equal sign, because I have to solve it later. So you're still this formula, because there is not much formula about this, because they are using using the same formula. So A, the angle 59, and there is B with angle of 57 57 degrees. So and the side A has given also, because it is ASS, and side B, C, and angle C is still missing. So I'm going to write it now with this one. 59. Oh, 59. No. 15. So to find it, you should cross multiply it as well, because same formula, using the same formula. So when you multiply it with this, the answer should be 12.5800. And when you divide it with this one, sine of 59, the answer is 14.67 millimeters, because we're still using millimeters because this is just my example. So to find the third one, which is missing, both of it is missing, so I'm going to solve first for the missing angle. So when you add two angles and subtracted with 180, the answer should be 64 degrees. So still use the first because you might be wrong at the second one, but I'm sure I'm not because I know how to solve it. So 15 times the sine of 64 is 13.4819, and when it's divided with sine of 59, the answer should be 15.72 millimeters. Now that's it. Yeah, for more information, visit our site. So that's all, guys. This is Lannis Outrage Mass. Yeah, I'm done with this one.